In this video, I'll show you how to find budget-friendly airlines on Skyscanner. Alright, so here we are on Skyscanner and it should be on flights by default. Now, what you want to do is, of course, choose your location and then choose your destination. Now remember, the goal here is to get the most budget-friendly outcome. So once we've chosen our location, we are going to choose flexible dates. Of course, if you have specific dates, then choose your specific dates. But for the purpose of what we're trying to do here, flexible dates. And so you can see here the cheapest month is March. So we're going to choose March, of course, and then hit apply. And now we just need to select the amount of people. So we'll just hit apply here once we're done. You can leave add hotel on, that's up to you, or switch it off and then hit search. All right, now it's going to give us a few pricing options for specific days. I'm going to choose the 10th and then I'll hit find flights. And now it's going to show me all my options here. And yes, there are filters on the side, but what we're going to do is on the top here, we're going to click on cheapest. That way it'll show us the cheapest options available. And once we find an option, just hit select. Then we just need to choose an option here. So we'll choose, well, pretty much all of these are from Flight Network. And once we do that, it's going to take us to Flight Network's website. And from there, you can set up your trip. And that's how you use Skyscanner to find the best budget airline deals. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.